What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I am back and we are raring to go here. All right, so check it out. I'm gonna go over my Cash App stock portfolio. Okay. If you didn't already know, you can invest in the stock market through your Cash App. So if you have Cash App, yes, that is the app where you can transfer funds back and forth to anyone that uses Cash App. There is a tab there at the bottom right hand corner. The little squiggly arrow is your stock tab. So that I'm already inside. If you hit the cash sign, the dollar sign, it takes you back to the main Cash App screen. So I'm tapping on the stock market tab there. All right, so as you can see here, I have $278.29 in the market right now. That is a combination of my investment plus the gain, the small gain that I have made, which as of today, I have gained 1.6%, which is a total of $9.48 for the day. All right, so let's kind of look down. Let me take you into a little bit of a little more detail on that. That's today. Now let's go back over the past week. I'm up $36.05. Some of that I took off. I've been kind of playing around with this. I actually swing trade, and I also dabbled a little bit with day trading, and I will go over the differences with those two. If you don't already know, swing trading is when you purchase either a share or a fractional share of a stock or shares of a stock and hold them for a period of a couple of days or more. That's called swing trading, and regardless of whether it goes up or goes down, you're gonna go on that roller coaster ride with it. If it goes up or down, and then you choose basically to sell it whenever you want to sell it, or you just hold on to it. Now, day trading is a little bit different. Day trading is when you buy a stock. Let's say if I bought a stock today at 10 a.m. and then I sold the stock at 1:30 p.m. Well, that is considered a day trade. I got in and I got out on the same calendar day. So that's the difference there. So there are pros. You could say there are pros and cons to either one. Day trading is for more experienced people and people that have more time to analyze the market. Swing trading is for people that are busy and don't want to sit there and watch their computer screen or their phone all day, and you can still do well in the market swing trading without having to babysit your laptop or your phone. Okay, so let's scroll down here a little bit and we're going to look at, again, these are the individual stocks that I'm invested in as of now today. I do have and it's showing my gains. In Tesla, I have gained $4.55. Apple, I've gained 22 cents. Carvana, 21 cents. Wells Fargo, I'm down actually 15 cents. Now that's not a lot. Okay, so these are the stocks I have left after the ones I sold earlier. I sold a few stocks earlier that I had made some gains, some profits in, and I just sold out. So I'm taking you on this journey, just showing you what's possible, and I really honestly haven't got serious with it yet. When I get serious, I'll probably invest a little bit more after I've done more research on certain stocks. And and first of all, let me say this: I'm not a financial advisor or expert. So if you choose to invest, do so after doing your own due diligence and research. Okay. All right. So, when you invest, you want to look at stocks that have a high amount of volume, meaning a lot of people are buying and a lot of people are selling the stock, meaning it's volatile, it's going up or it's going down on a regular basis. It's not stagnant. So those normally are going to be your larger brand name companies like Google, Tesla, Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Walmart. Those are just a few of the companies that have a high amount of volume that you would want to take a look at, and then you decide after doing your own research which companies you want to invest in. And so let's go down a little farther here. Now, this is a list, and you can pick companies you want to follow. In other words, you can just watch and see what they do. Check this out. Look at what AMC and GameStop did just today. Now, if you don't already know, these are considered meme stocks. Okay, so a meme stock is basically a stock that has a large following, like a cult-like following. You have whales, you have people buying up a lot of shares, and then you have people selling a lot of shares. So let's look at GameStop here. And this is the 1 day chart, the last 24 hours. GameStop went up 24%. If you had $10,000 invested just as of today, just in 1 day, you would have profited $2,400. Listen at that, people. $2,400. Now, nobody can time the market. Nobody has, the ability to see what's going to happen. So I don't recommend getting started with these meme stocks, because they can, just like it went up 24%, it can go down 24%. So if you're going to dabble with these, you definitely want to, in my opinion, it would be best to swing trade these types of stocks. You don't want to play around at first with day trading. You want, and here's another thing you need to know with Cash App. They only allow you 3 day trades within a 5-day period, meaning you can only buy and sell one stock in one particular day 3 times in a calendar week. But you can swing trade as much as you want. So if you bought, yesterday and sold today, and then turned around and did the same thing tomorrow, you bought and sold the next day, you can do that with as many stocks as you want simultaneously if you wanted to. So the only difference is with swing trading, it can move up and down a little bit overnight or in the pre-market or aftermarket hours. So I don't want to put too much on y'all in this one video, but these are just some of the details, some of the things you need to know if you're brand new. All right. So, and there are no fees, very, very small fees for trading stocks. I mean, the government takes 1 penny when you sell. Like, it doesn't matter how much the stock is for, it costs you 1 penny. So one reason why I held off and I kind of pulled back on Bitcoin, which I'm still into crypto, but let's come out of this and look at Bitcoin real quick. As you can see, I pulled out my Bitcoin investment. Bitcoin has a 3% fee, which it's not that big of a deal if you're investing less than, say, $500. But once you get around that $500 mark and if you're day trading, like, you can day trade Bitcoin as much as you want, any crypto or swing trade, when that 3% can add up. So like if you're putting in $1,000, that's going to be a $30 fee just to buy. If you're doing a fractional share, that's a $30 fee. And then if you were to withdraw it, say the next day, that's an additional $30. So you have to keep that in mind when you're trading Bitcoin on Cash App. Now, on other platforms, it's not going to be quite that expensive. You might have some platforms where it might be $1 or 2% or something. You have to check them out and see what they charge. But if you're investing a small amount, I wouldn't worry about it too much, but just keep an eye on that. All right, so that's about all I have for y'all today. I'm gonna keep y'all updated on my investments that I make this week. And again, I'm following quite a few of them here, so I'll keep y'all updated on what I do. So just kind of go in Cash App and hit the stock tab and play around with it, and look at your options there, and you'll be amazed at how easy it is. The interface is extremely easy to use. I think it's, in my opinion, the best platform for a new beginning investor to get started on. There are other good ones out there, but if you're just getting started, this would be my choice if I were referring someone to the world of trading. All right, y'all have a good rest of the day.